Hey there! Welcome to today's FlexClip tutorial on how to record your screen or webcam step by step. Let's get started. First, find the record option in Media and click Record Screen or Webcam. Next, choose to record screen or webcam. Let's choose screen only as an example. Customize the audio settings. Then, click the Start Recording button, select the web page that you want to record, and click Share to start recording. Now you can record the part or content you need. You can also switch pages freely. When you're done recording, click the Stop Sharing button in the top left corner. Back to the recording page, and you can preview the recording, choose to re-record, or click the Add to Library button to edit this video on the editing page. That's all for today's tutorial on how to record your screen or webcam step by step using FlexClip. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more video tips and tricks. See you next time.